Hello, dear children. Welcome again in English language class. So, we are starting here the chapter regular and irregular verbs. So, beta, as you know, the verbs they are the action words. So, the main verb or which you say the principal part of the verb from which all the tenses are formed, like present tense, past tense, and past participle, means to say here the three forms of the verb they are formed from the main part of the verb. So verb, they can be regular verb or they can be the irregular verb. So regular verbs are the verbs in which the simple past and past participle they are formed simply by adding ed or ied. Okay, so here like play, played, played. So here what you did here, this is the main verb and you added ed. Cry, cried, cried. So here in this you have added ied at their ended, but they sound the same, so they are called as the regular verb. Next is their irregular verb. So irregular verb in which all the forms they can, like simple past and present participle, they are not same. So there are some verb in which all the three forms are same, like cost, cost, cost. They come under the category of irregular verb. Next is there in which the two of the three forms are same, like bend, bent, bent, spend, spent, spent. Okay, so here the last two forms they are same. So there are the verbs in which all the three forms they are different, like go, went, gone, give, gave, given. So my dear students, here is the list of irregular verbs. So you all will learn this list of regular and irregular verb which is given here. Okay, so up to here you will learn these are regular and irregular verbs. So next is their tenses and their uses. So here means tense can be divided into the three main division of the tense. Time are present, past, and future. Tenses means time. Okay, so the part of the speech which tell you about the time is the verb. Okay, from the verb you can identify whether the tense is in present, whether the tense is in past, or whether the tense is in future. So according to the time, tenses they are divided into three main categories: present, the day which is going today; past, the time which is gone yesterday; and the future, the time which will come tomorrow. So here there are these tenses again they are further divided into different categories, like from the present, past, and future. They again divided into four categories, like simple past, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, continuous. Same like simple past, past continuous, past perfect, continuous here. And same like future, so simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous here. So here how you change these three different four different forms, like in simple present what you do here, subject, and with subject you will write the first form of the verb here. So if the case is singular, then you add s or es. Present continuous, there with the subject you will write is for singular, are for plural, and am for I, and with verb you will add ing. Next is their present perfect. So in the present perfect tense you will use has, have, and the third form of the verb here, present perfect continuous, in which with the subject you will write has been or have been, and first form of the verb and ing. So same like simple past, in case of simple past you will write second form of the verb, like he drove. In past continuous, were driving, he was driving. Next is their past perfect, so with subject you will write had, and third form of the word he had driven. So beta I am taking here only one example. With one example I am describing here. Next is your past perfect continuous. So in past perfect continuous with the subject you will write had been driving. So this had word or was word, it shows you about the time past, and when you write the first form it shows you the time present. Next is your simple future. So here in this case you will write shall will drive, I shall drive, okay, we shall drive. With singular you will write with the personal pronoun you will write here shall, and with others you will write here will, like I shall go, I shall drive, we shall drive, and with others you will write here they will, you will, he will, or she will. Next is there future continuous. In future continuous you will write there shall will be driving. So whatever the form of continuous is there, like present continuous, perfect continuous. So what one thing you must notice here, with the verb first form of the verb we are writing ing, okay, whether it is simple, sorry, whether it is present, whether it is past, or whether it is future, whatever the continuous is there we are writing ing with the first form of the verb here. So simple future I shall drive, future continuous I shall be driving, future perfect I shall have driven, okay. Future perfect continuous will, shall, have been driving, I shall have been driving, we will, we shall have been driving, they will have been driving here. So this was there the case of the different tenses and the different kinds of the tenses here, the different kind of simple present, present tense, different kind of past tense, different kind of future tense. So next we will do here uses of tenses.